Hi friends, my name is Varsha. Happy Mother's Day to all the lovely mothers. Today I'm gonna make my mother's favorite dish, that is Mango Lassi. Let's start doing it. For making this Mango Lassi, we need chopped mangoes, yogurt, sugar, some cashew nuts. You can add also any nuts like badam, pista and kesar. Tutti fruits. I saved few of them for garnishing. Ice cubes. Now let's keep the mangoes, yogurt, sugar and ice cubes into the jar. Now let's blend it. It's blended into smooth paste. Let's pour it into the glasses. Now let's garnish it with some tutti frutti, mangoes and chopped cashew nuts. I want to taste it. Wow, it's yum. You should try this too. It's really yummy. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.